are doing well, you and your loved ones are nice and healthy. Today we are opening up the April Sudsy Club. So this is a sneak peek of what is coming. I've been getting Sudsy Club for a while now and I thoroughly enjoy it. It is a luxury soap subscription. So it is bi-monthly, meaning you get it every other month. And you get 3 soaps and a bath and spa item. And I love that it's bi-monthly because it gives you time to use your items. Every time I get a bi-monthly box, I rave about it. So I will link Sudsy Club down below. And also, they just gave me a great promo code. It's not affiliated or anything like that, but this code I'll leave here on the screen and down below will save you 40%. And I did the math, that will save you $10 off your first box. So normally it costs $25 every other month, so not monthly. And your first box will be $15 if you are interested. I think it's totally worth it. I love the soaps I get. They're really nice because sometimes they're bar soap. And sometimes when I get bar soaps, like from the store and stuff, they can be a little drying, but their soaps with bars, they smell so good and they are moisturizing and don't dry out my skin. Right now in my shower, I think I have this one. It's like spicy smelling a little bit. Like it sounds out, but it's so good. I opened that in my last box. I can link that down below if you guys want to watch that video or missed it. But this is what the box looks like. It says where luxury begins. So let's get this open and see what's in the April box. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. So, oh my god, it smells so good. Even this piece of paper is from sitting on the soap. So it's Sudsy Club April. Inside, it will give a description of all of the items. And on the back it says their soaps are all natural, nothing artificial, luxurious moisturized skin. We never compromise on our quality. So how about we start with the soap that's just closest to me. So this first soap is Moroccan Breeze. So this is what their packaging looks like. I think it's super cute. If you ever feel like you have like a surplus of soaps or if you want to share, these are such cute like wrapped soaps that they make a great gift. But okay, let's take a sniff. Oh, this smells good. Man, it smells really good. So on the back it says, made with the highest quality plant-based oils and butters along with therapeutic grade essential oils and botanicals. The natural oils and butters leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized, not drying like commercial soaps, like I said. Their soaps contain no chemicals, no artificial fragrance or artificial coloring. It smells so good. Sometimes I try and like guess the fragrance notes of things before I read the description, but I'm not very good at that. My like descriptions of fragrance things are like good and bad, you know, this smells good. So let's read about it. It says, this bar has such a fresh scent. It does. It has a Moroccan clay swirled throughout. The scent is so light and uplifting. The blend of essential oils is sweet orange, lemon, rosemary, and peppermint. There are studies that have found this type of clay to be effective for increasing skin elasticity due to its high silica and magnesium content. It is also so pretty. It smells so good. Since it says it's so pretty, let's open up this soap. Usually I don't open up another one until I finish the one before, but the one I have in my shower now from 2 months ago is almost done, so we're gonna check it out. Ooh, it is pretty. You can see the swirls like they said. So cool. Oh, it smells seriously amazing. I can just sit here all day, but let's move on to the next one. So next up we have Orange Bliss Silk Bar. And the back of the packaging should say the same thing, so I won't read that again, but that's what it looks like. So oh man, everything just smells so good. It smells so good in this little filling room I have right now. So Orange Bliss Silk Bar, it says, at first glance you will notice how creamy and silky this bar is. Orange Silk is one of our soaps that you cannot stop smelling. I love orange scent. A lightly scented orange soap that is so easy on your skin and it also gently exfoliates. It's made with orange essential oil and crushed orange peel and infused with Tusa silk, which is cruelty free. Oh, I want an orange now. I have a friend who has an orange grove and I had some oranges recently and now I want one. But I'll smell this for now. So our third soap is called Morning Mist. Oh my god. I'm not going to be able to pick a favorite this month, you guys. They all smell so good. This one's very fresh. So let's see. It's Morning Mist. Who doesn't love the smell of mint? This soap is a great pick-me-up in the morning and one of my favorites. Leaves your skin soft and smelling fresh. This makes a great everyday soap for your shower and bath. It's made with olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, spearmint essential oil, and French green clay. So those are all the soaps. Let me just smell again and try. Pick. Oh, God. You know, I might have to say the Moroccan Breeze. Something about it. It's like a little citrusy, but also like so fresh, like they say. Like, I love the orange scent too. I like mint. I like them all. Okay, I can't pick a favorite. Let's move on to our spa item. Looks like we have a loofah. And it has a little thing here. Oh, just some of the dust from like the swiggly stuff in the box is coming off, if you can see that on camera. I don't know, it's such small particles. But a loofah. So it's always good if you guys use loofahs to replace them often. They can harbor bacteria, even in times when we're not in this crisis, you know. But yeah, I learned that on Oprah when I was a child. I seriously reference like my Oprah upbringing all the time. Like, well, Oprah told me to moisturize. Oprah said replace your loofahs often, but it's true, they do harbor bacteria, so it's great to get one, is my point. So the bath and shower puff, the soft and full bath puff works up a great lather with our all-natural soaps. It gently exfoliates and cleanses to leave your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Gently rub your Sudsy & Co. soap on the poof to create a rich and creamy lather. I definitely will do that. I'm gonna replace it with the one I have in my shower now. I don't always use loofahs, but sometimes if I need like an extra exfoliation, I will. But this does feel soft, like it's not going to be too rough on your skin at all. So that was everything. We got our 3 soaps that all smell amazing. To be honest, I've never gotten a soap from them that I didn't enjoy the scent of. Like, none of them are like too fragrant, so if you're like sensitive to things, like, I don't think it will bother you. Like, they smell amazing, don't get me wrong, but it's not like powerful. Like, these are essential oil scents. It's not like added artificial fragrance or anything like that. So I've always loved every single soap, and like I said, they don't dry my skin out, and I can't handle dry skin. I mentioned that sometimes I'm always into moisturizing and stuff like that. So yeah, I will leave all of the information down below. Definitely take advantage of that new promo code we have. Thank you, Sudsy Club, for sending me this box and providing a code for my subscribers. That is a huge discount, so definitely take advantage. This would also make a great gift. Mother's Day isn't too far away. I still can't get over what time of year it is. Like, how is it in the middle of March, like almost April? Crazy. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you are doing well, that you're healthy. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.